top 25 prediction of Nostradamus. In the land of the rising sun, a great leader shall rise, bringing both chaos and no order. Bird of prey will soar over the Middle East, signifying a time of great conflict and unrest. From the depths of the ocean, a force shall emerge, reshaping the geopolitical landscape. A silver serpent in the sky shall mark the dawn of a new era. In space exploration, the city of 7 hills shall face a period of turmoil and upheaval, leading to a new order. A man with a twisted crown will rise to power, bringing both prosperity and challenges. The beast of the east shall awaken, unleashing a wave of technological advancements. Fire and ice will dance in the northern realms, signaling a shift in climate patterns. The lion and the eagle shall clash, leading to a period of geopolitical tension. A great plague shall reemerge, challenging the world's understanding of medicine. The moon shall cast a shadow on the sun, marking a time of spiritual awakening. A queen with a heart of iron shall lead her nation through a time of crisis. The ancient city of Rome shall play a pivotal role in a global reconciliation. A great wall shall crumble, symbolizing the fall of long-standing barriers. The river of knowledge shall overflow, leading to unprecedented advancements in education. A golden age of art and culture shall be ushered in by a visionary leader. The horned beast shall rise from the ashes, representing a resurgence of ancient wisdom. The sound of trumpets shall herald a time of political transformation. The bear and the dragon shall dance, shaping the future of global alliances. A star shall fall from the sky, marking the end of an era and the beginning of a new one. The sands of time shall reveal hidden truths about ancient civilizations. A phoenix shall rise from the ashes of a devastated land, symbolizing rebirth. The 3 sisters shall weave a tapestry of fate, influencing the destinies of nations. A comet shall blaze across the heavens, foretelling a period of great change. The people of the earth shall unite, realizing the interconnectedness of all life.